play correct notes. But remember we talked with you that playing the piano, it's not only moving fingers and pressing the keys, it's about making a sound. And we make a sound with our weight. And we also need to listen to the connections. I want to give you a little analogy. Imagine you are in a beautiful park, doesn't matter where.
Mm-hmm.
And it's spring or summer or early fall time, and everything is so beautiful, and you can see the flowers, and you can see all the details, and you can watch the clouds floating, and you can smell the flower scent, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you enjoy it. Now imagine you're very late to some event and you run through that park. Will you notice any of those things I mentioned?
No.
The same here. When we do things fast, we don't notice anything except our fingers just running through, right? So what I'd like you to do right now, you already know the notes. Try to listen to the beautiful sound, and not only the sound itself, but how it connects with others. And at the same time, think about not moving your hand when you pass the thumb. Did I show you this exercise when we?
Yes.
Yes. So it's the same thing. You're kind of doing this when you play scale, which is not needed. It's unnecessary. Look. Okay. Let's try. Try even better connection. Try to do it through your ear. It's a little harsh. That's better. It was clear. It still was a little bit kind of poked, but the sound was fuller and more clear. Okay, let's try left hand. Use some more weight. Connect, blow into the sound. To make a sound that is not poked, first of all, we talked with you about jelly keys, right?
Yeah.
It's imagining going through jelly. Or you can imagining blowing into the sound. Not percussive when you hit something to make a sound, right?
Mm-hmm.
But wind instrument. Blow into the sound. Let's try blowing with your fingers. Nice. Deeper, deeper. Good job. Did really good. Let's try next.
Right hand?
Did you hear those?
Yeah, I heard.
Punch. A little bit more sensitive fingertips. Left hand, please. That was boom.